Hello guys, Cream Boss back again with another episode of grilling. It's actually episode 5 of grilling. So we're gonna check out this episode and see what's going on.
Ty Logan, don't ruin it, we're doing it. I see enough thirsty brothers on this show here. Thirsty. Couple of my brethren.
Okay, seems like this guy's a comedian and it seems like he actually watched the show. So
That's
we're
why
gonna
I'm
see
here, 'cause
if
I'm looking
he's
for love.
gonna
Even
be.
though I'm here, yeah, a bit of entertainment. Yeah. No, I'm here for
He
love.
seemed like a
Keeping up to
comedian
whatever she
already
wants
off
to
rip.
ask
He
me, I'm
seemed
gonna ask
energetic
her what I
as
wanna
hell.
ask her. Come man, let's get straight into it. Where is she, man, babe? Where is she?
Dude, off rip, I can tell this guy is gonna give out of the problem, bro. Like comedic wise, he seemed to be. You see, he remind me of. Ooh. Damn, she looking nice. I like the setup, the get up there. I don't know what kind of shoes that is, but fit looks simple. But this guy remind me of uh I forgot his name, the guy from episode 2. The comedian.
How you doing? You
Hi.
Bro, what's
You
going
alright?
on? You good?
Yeah, your hands
Bro,
are
it's
cold.
very firm. Do you know it's the water?
You used to say cold
The
hands
water.
and heart.
Yeah, I got a warm heart though.
Sure.
Yeah, 100%.
Water.
They ain't even been here 10 seconds. Cuz, I'm gonna be honest with you,
You know
I'm
that
not too
the UK
sure.
accent is very weird. Or I'm saying UK because I'm talking about other countries. Like you say water,
Stupid.
not water. I didn't hear no T in that.
About them gal there. You get me? You know everyone just comes with looks. I'm looking for more than looks. I told you I'm here looking for love.
Why? These
Yeah.
men keep wearing tracksuits.
You're saying it's a wine thing.
Man, she have a problem with
Yes.
everything,
See
bro.
what I'm saying? This is what I'm talking. Good
It's like
energy. Good.
she want a man in a suit. Like let's come just up in a suit, like a tie, and I call it like a business suit, and a briefcase.
Damn.
Then she probably rate your eye.
Spirit. I'm not really used to the wine stuff though.
So what's your name?
Ty, what's your name?
Cheyenne.
See you?
Cheyenne.
You done good today. Nails, hair. Just wanna look. I can't see what you're wearing. I
You
can't.
can see.
Yeah, dude, you know what's funny? She never want to stand up to let the dude assist or see what she's wearing, but she's clearly ready to judge someone else that she can see coming in. I'm realizing that, bruh.
So
That's
tell me about yourself, Ty.
never ever want to
I'm
stand
a
up.
young, black, independent actor, entertainer, model.
What would you rate yourself out of 10?
In terms of what, sir?
Looks.
I think that's a hard one because God told me that everyone's beautiful in their own way. How much would you rate yours?
Dude, this is what I hate, bruh. Just be realistic. If anybody can tell if they look good or not. The person who always go around the question or flip-flop that question is delusional, bruh. Just be honest. If you are 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, just say one of the number what you think you are.
Good girl.
Easy, man.
If you mind me asking.
I just hate when
10.
people just
Why?
jump over this question,
No.
bro, like flip-flop.
Self-love and all that.
Self-love. Brother. My girl said she's a 10. I'll be real.
Dude, the amount of time a woman said they're 10 out of 10, you could literally fill up a freaking Olympic-sized swimming pool 1,000,000 times and still have overs. That to show you how much of them are so freaking
Okay.
delusional.
I'll be real
Even
with
if they look like a 2, they're
She
still a
would give me
10.
a 10.
Crazy.
She's wearing the 95s Air Max. You get me? I feel like I'm rolling with the man then. What's going on? 95s. Come on, cuz. But other than that, she's good. But I'm
Yo, you
upset.
can't even
Get
blame
all
him for
this
judging
small
her
talk, I'm
because
upset with you,
she
darling.
judges
Why
tracksuit,
is that?
so he's
You see,
judging her
getting here
shoes.
Today, it was mad. I was meant to throw on a suit.
Yeah, I was wondering why you're wearing that.
But you're
Why?
wearing Air Max. What's you wearing Air Max 95s?
I
You got
can
on
wear
the
what I want.
95s today. Gears of one.
Do you not think I look nice?
You look nice.
Why are you shouting?
Nah, I'm not shouting. It's the wine. I told you. You shouldn't
Right,
have me
one
doing
sip, lightweight. Calm down.
that. You've been dating all my friends. I'm thinking I'm the first.
That's what I'm saying, bro. He's energetic as hell, bro. But I'm still thinking about that 10 question, bro. I just hear it so many times, bro. I'm just like, anytime I hear somebody say, oh, what do you rate yourself? And the lady's like, oh, 10 out of 10. I'm like,
Yeah, I.
First one to get here. You're doing day after day after day after day. I'm thinking I'm not special.
especially
Why is that
females in
You're
like
dating
first
my-
world
Where's
countries.
your friend? Get your
They,
friend.
their
Who date
standards
your
are
friends?
like
Say you're
fucking
trying to
through the
date me,
galaxy, bro. Like
right?
through the
And then it
galaxy,
doesn't work
man.
out,
That's
but then
crazy.
You then start moving to my friends. It's very common in men
Yeah.
that if it didn't work out with me, you then
Yeah.
move to the friend.
Nah, I
What is
think
that?
that's a bit jokey. Man, there's a lot of things, if you ask me, I'll tell you I've probably done. As a young man, I weren't an angel.
That's
I think
true.
the more experience a man
That's
has,
true,
he
bruh.
knows what's good, he knows what's bad.
That's
You
true.
don't want to chat to a man that's not got any experience, do you?
Nah, I want to
What's
hear
the worst
answer
thing you've
upon
done
that
to try
question.
to cook out?
To be honest, yeah, you're not chatting to a young man that's ever. And you see me, I'll never sell dreams. I'll never lie to a girl or gas up a girl to make her think it's something it ain't, just to get a bit of sex.
So what do you do then?
I'd be myself.
I'd like to think he's not going to sell me dreams, but I don't know.
Really?
They all do.
Sometimes I might just do the mad thing. I might just say, babes, you right? You right? How you doing? You good?
No, you do not.
Why would you
I
do
look
that,
your
bruh?
phone?
Where's your phone? Let me see what's going on over there.
Dude, why would I? Dude, honest to God, I wouldn't even do that because that wouldn't make any sense. I understand if you share password, yes, but why would I just, oh, here's my phone, like, that's weird, bruh. I don't know, bruh, that just seems strange to me,
My
like,
girl's playing
it does seem
games. Let me
like,
see that. Bring that.
why you have to show something?
Bro, Tyrone, is that what you're doing? That's not my phone. Who's that, Tyrone?
He's the
Even
first
you
one
sitting
who
there
I
right
say
now,
giving the girl
You're
the
a sweet
phone.
one. But what you need to understand, there's a million sweet ones.
That's
a
true.
A lot of girls in this generation, they don't understand that.
Yeah, but this is the problem.
Dude, this guy, I feel like this guy's gonna ask some very good question, bruh. And that's true. There's like millions of beautiful females, but not millions of rich young men that they claim they want.
Boy, if you don't.
That's crazy. So you see the difference?
That's the
Because-
problem.
But no, but you are saying there's a million sweet ones.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. So already you
Because
need
you're missing
about-
what I mean. I don't care if you're a sweet one. There's a million sweet ones. Meaning, I don't care about your looks. What other stuff have you got? What have you got? You got personality? Are you caring? Are you loving? Are you affectionate? Are you family orientated? Do you like kids? All these other stuff, you've got to cover.
He's
I
hyper
don't
though.
care
He's
if you're
super
pretty.
hyper though.
What
He's
else have you got?
saying the right
You're gonna
stuff,
be
but
caring, you're gonna talk
he's
to,
very
you're gonna
hyper
understand.
with it.
Things that really matter.
in an ideal situation.
I know he's
like,
a
I would
probably a
like
comedian
man
or
to think
actor.
Like that.
Yeah,
but
but
the
not
reality
this.
of it is,
No.
you guys don't.
I
Like,
can't talk for other men,
Okay, you
darling.
can't.
Me,
We're here.
you, no one else. So why are
but
we
you
talking about
do you
other
talk
men?
to multiple women at one time?
No. If I'm talking, well, it depends. Let me not chat rubbish. Because I'm
Yeah.
being real
Yeah,
and
because-
honestly.
Listen, he should calm down because he's gonna get caught up because he's gonna say some bullshit and then twist himself because see you have to calm down because I feel like he was gonna say something
Honestly, I'm being
out
real.
of pocket.
If I'm talking to someone and I like someone, of course I'm going to give everything to that someone. Like I said to you, I would love to be in a relationship. I would love to. That's my aim. I've been single 2 years, over 2 years. I was in a 4 or 5 year relationship.
What do you have to offer?
Do you know what? Yeah, I'm not a millionaire yet, but I'm on my way.
That's a
Say.
materialistic answer.
Oh, so you're one of
Yeah.
them? Shake my hand again. Shake my hand again, because you see what we're doing here today? I like you. When I shook her hand, my girl's coming strong. She's trying to rip my hand off. Blood. You get me? You got to take it easy with them guys.
Yo, this nigga's funny, bro. This
strong.
nigga
In
say,
the
yo,
bedroom,
she,
it's
yo,
might all go-
this nigga say, yo, she came in strong as hell, bro. She give him one of that Donald Trump handshake. You know that? Grab and pull. Grab her by the pussy.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Yo, that shit is
Yeah, that's why you should
crazy.
never judge a book by its cover.
So you judge me.
Alright, cool. I can only talk based on my experiences. A lot of experience I've had in the past, darling, is that a lot of pretty girls, they don't offer much apart from looks.
That's
the word
that's
darling,
true.
doesn't he? I'm not sure how I feel about
Dude.
that. I'm not your darling.
But do you
He's
think
just
you can
calling
get
you a
much?
name,
Yeah.
girl. Relax, man.
Motivation,
Motivation,
inspiration.
inspiration.
I remember, guys,
Time.
normally when you're a pretty girl, you don't have to rely upon other skills to get ahead in life because beauty sells. So if you're beautiful, you get everything handed to you in most situations. So that's why most, as they said, pretty girls don't have to develop any personalities that can carry you down the line. That's why when they get older, mm,
The sex?
Ah,
in bed?
that, you see that? You don't even want, you sure you want to get into that conversation? I tried my best.
dude,
You see
she
that, babes?
actually
I don't even like to talk too much because you probably get
controlling
older
the
guys that talk,
situation.
Oh, yeah. Listen, you see over here? Long. Yeah?
What's
Long. I don't really want to talk because there might be kids watching. Long. You see that one there? Like, I don't even know how to explain it. If you
This
know,
guy that
you know.
goofy,
You see
bro.
the
It's
long
funny
one,
though.
it's like,
Man
how
say
can I
long,
explain
long.
it? It's like, boom.
Would you say you're aggressive?
Can be. I'm a very flexy person. Meaning you can float. And if you want me to be the cool, chilled guy, I'll be the chilled guy. I ain't even got to do shit. I don't even talk. You sit here like
sit
that.
up.
Do you know what I'm saying? I can be
Don't
like,
do that
how you
bullshit.
doing? You alright? How you doing?
Dude, see, she's controlling the situation, bro. He's acting way too. I don't know. I feel like he's pretending, or he's just in a character right now, because she's controlling everything, bro. You don't have to be that goofy. And then he said something wrong. I can be what you want me to be, dude. Never be what anybody wants you to be. Be yourself. That show confident, bro. And even me listening to him always talk, I'm not a woman, bro, but I'm listening to him always talking. I'm like, dude, what the hell are you saying, bro? It's crazy, bro. That's nuts.
Sweet.
So who is the real you then?
That is me. I'm just a mixed personality person. Some days you'll catch me, I'm moody,
Give
I'm
off.
loving,
Listen, bro.
affectionate.
Listen, bro. listen. You know the beauty of, well, there are disadvantages and advantages of not living in a PC culture. I can say what the fuck I want, bro. I can say anything, bro. Literally, I don't give a fuck. Nobody gonna cancel me. I don't live in America or England or those places that would literally cancel you. I don't live in those places, bro. I can say what the fuck I want, bro. So I can. What I'm saying right now is just being truthful, bro.
Yeah? I'm a people's person.
He's
Means
being
that I make people smile. My job is to
make
people
she taking
happy.
control, bro. So I don't know, bro. I feel like
What do you think is your
he said
toxic
it's an
trait?
actor, so I don't know if he's
Not
acting or
caring.
what.
I could like
That's
someone.
really bad,
I
to
know.
not care.
But I am. I'm care. I told you I'm caring. I'm loving. But I have this way of even if I
So have
care
you care or
about
you
you.
don't care?
Nah, I could care, but not care. Like, I could care like my ex. I'll tell you that one. I loved her. I did. I thought it was the one. First love. First love. I thought it was the one. However, I still got rid of her, even though I loved her.
Why?
Because I got morals and principles that I live by, and I've been grown up by. See how you're Jamaican? I'm Jamaican. So certain things you don't.
What the dude? I have didn't even know that she was Jamaican, bro. Probably not born out here, probably born over there by Jamaican parents, mom or dad. I don't know how the situation go. I don't know if he's both parents are Jamaican or mom is Jamaican, dad is Jamaican. But that's crazy, bro. All along, I was from episode 1 to episode 5. I didn't even realize she was Jamaican, bro. That's crazy.
Condone. I see if me and you
That's
was together, for
nuts.
example, and you wanted to do some mad shit. That
Dude,
I
I'm not
ain't
gonna
really
lie.
condoning.
You know what?
But what's
I'm
mad?
just gonna watch.
You're doing drugs, you're chatting to this, you're all over
But
the
what's
gaff.
this, that? You're not answering. You're
I
saying
just said,
this,
I
that.
just said,
Doing
if you-
drugs,
yeah.
all over the gaff.
Yeah. Whatever you do, you're gonna raise my daughter to do it. I don't want my daughter doing that. Do you know what I'm trying to say, Rob? It's crazy, man. I don't want my daughter doing that. So, you see, if you're doing that, stay over there. I ain't got nothing wrong with you. I got friends, I got loads of people that probably do drugs. But my companion,
Oh my
is
god.
my daughter. Much
What's
more
over the gaff mean?
partying, like all over the gaff.
Oh, okay.
You get me? Babes, yeah, I'm in Birmingham. Yeah, babes, I'm in Manchester. You was in Birmingham yesterday, babes. Yeah, I'm in Manchester. I'm good.
So you
All of
want
that.
just a woman just to be at home and wait for you?
No,
Oh, I'm
see?
glad you mentioned that. I also did a video on how England was formed, and I did a video on the the UK itself. So I'm gonna put up that too. But it's very interesting to see how the
You're
cities in
missing the
London
point.
are.
You see
Cause
me, if I was
I
in a
never really,
relationship, I don't
honestly, God, I
go
wasn't
out
really
and
interested
do that.
in London, in England, London
What's the
itself.
difference between
I just
partying
used to do the music
and doing
videos, but
drugs?
I wasn't
I
really
mean,
like
anything that I don't
studying the
condone,
country itself. I
I
mostly
don't want my girlfriend to do.
watch
I'm not gonna
like
get upset and
Asian
start calling my
countries.
girlfriend, "Babe,
But
come on, read."
it's
No,
interesting
at
to
least
see
get
England
away from it,
itself,
like,
like
leave
oh,
the
was it
situation.
formed, the
Do you
UK,
not think that communication
and
is
stuff
key,
like
that
that.
in order for relationships
is.
to work, that it's actually better just to sit down and talk
Yeah,
to
but when
her?
you've done that 3, 4, 5, 6 times, you're ruining it. Show this. I beg you, show me if you can.
This
Do
dude
that.
said you're ruining it.
What do you want me to do?
I can't even say that, bro.
Say you put your lips
You
into it.
ruining it.
I'm not laughing, Mr. Fortune. You're not funny anymore.
Ruining it. See, bro, she's
So
not
when was
even
your last relationship?
listening to this dude.
Years ago.
Why are you tutting like that?
Yeah, how many years?
Good for you.
What's a good few? 4, 5, 6?
Yeah, probably about 4 years.
Yo, that's what she's doing, bro.
Red flag.
She's not answering your
Red flag.
question point
You
blank.
get me? Why
You
are
said you're
you
been in a relationship
single
4 years ago,
for
5
that
years
many
ago,
years?
but
And what
she's
was
like
you doing in them
hip
years?
hop
What
around the
have you been
question.
doing?
She's been getting
What are
dick,
you
bruh.
up to?
Listen, bruh. Listen, bruh. Let's get real. She's been getting dicked in those 4 years. No relationship. She's been getting dick. Enough people think they're not female. Said, "Oh, I haven't been in a relationship for 4 years." Guess what? I haven't been in one either, but guess what? I've been clapping, bruh. So, the best know they're doing the same. Don't get the thing twisted.
What have you been doing?
You genuinely just waste my time. You sell dreams, it's all this bullshit, and then you're linking 5 women at the same time. Like, I'm not on that.
Messy.
Do you do that?
Messy. No, I don't do that.
How many women have you linked at one time?
Nah, man, if I'm linking someone, I'm linking someone, but it depends
you
what
could-
you call linking
Yeah, but
someone.
you could link multiple women within 1 week.
Link
What
up,
do you mean
link
by
up.
linking
Link
them?
up
Do
the
you mean
girl
like
them, you
having
see me?
sex? Is that a link, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been
I mean, link up the
really
girl
bad
them there.
in
The girl them
past.
say,
My
oh, you have
young
the
days, I was
rasta
crazy, I'll
of
tell
the
you.
girl them when you want to
What
link
about
up on, you
now?
see me?
Now I'm
asking.
good. No, I'm a young man, I'm working, I got my career, I'm focused. I'd love to find a girlfriend that can just be
Really?
with me. Yeah.
You
I
don't look
can't
like
live
you'd settle
this.
down
I
though.
was in a 4 to 5 year relationship.
Would you be with me if my past was in the porn industry?
I was really,
I don't think
really
so.
have to like you still, and it depends how near it was. If you're telling me it was 2 years ago, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm being honest with you, darling. Do you want me to lie to you? You'll be honest with you.
No, be honest.
I'm being honest. I'm being dead honest with you. If you told me it was like 2 years ago, it's gonna be very, very
Getting
hard.
dick.
But you see, if I
Don't
was
buy some
invested with you,
black
I'd
ass.
do my
That's
best.
crazy,
If
bruh.
I
I don't
liked
know,
the
man.
woman that much,
Listen.
well, I wanted her.
Yeah, I
and my
feel like the
daughter
guys
to
who
be,
married porn
like,
stars and
raised
stuff
by
are
her,
people
and I
who
liked
love
her
those
that much.
situations.
I try my
Or,
best to try and look past it.
Look past
But
it.
it would be hard still. Porn.
man, I don't know, bruh.
Yeah.
Porn. It's a hard one.
Do you
man.
watch porn? What porn do you watch?
Fucking hell.
MILF.
Interracial,
Ooh.
big fatty, big tits, squat. I shouldn't even be talking that. You got me talking mad. Why are you throwing me
That's
out
what
for?
I'm
You're
saying,
talking mad.
bruh.
What
She's
porn do you
drawing him
watch?
out, bruh.
Porn.
You don't watch porn?
That's a lie.
Because it gives you unrealistic expectation of what sex is. Because then we get guys that think they're really good in bed and they're really not.
They're really not.
I don't believe her, bruh. I don't believe her,
So
bruh.
you're a family person.
That's number one. Number one's mum. You know what I'm trying to say? You always got mum's first. That one there, whole different category. Like, you see my girl and my mum, they're two different. I would never put a girl before my mum. Certain man are taking girl places their mum has never been. Never experienced it. Never seen it. Never
That's true.
even heard of it.
That's true, bruh.
How can you take a girl that you've met on Instagram or you've just met her today to a nicer place than your mum's ever been? How can you take the girl to the Shard and your mum's never
That's
been
true.
to the Shard?
You're speaking
He's
facts,
a
huh?
very strong contender. I can't lie. Maybe the strongest.
There is
Wow,
obviously a balance.
that's
I'm not some
crazy.
fucking Mummy's boy that. Mum, what should I do? And I even got kids yet.
Would you say you're emotionally available?
What do you mean by that?
Being able to be in tune with your emotions.
Oh,
and
God.
feel-
Here's this question again, bruh.
What you?
Yeah, of course. But
I can get the role. Do you know what it was for? Atlanta, Georgia. I'd have been Atlanta. My whole life would have changed. Missed out on it. It's alright though, we moved.
So how do you deal with it?
how do I deal with it?
Yeah, like when all these things are going wrong, how?
Why would you... Wait.
Because surely if you're not-
I don't get it. If he didn't get a part, right? What she want him to say? Oh, shit, I cried. I went to my bed. I placed down. I cried. It's like she wanted to... She said... I catch a bitch fit, I cried, I rolled, I screamed.
It's important to be emotionally available.
I feel like I am then because I don't know. I talk to my friends, talk to my family,
Okay.
people. I have fun as well. I do have a lot of fun. Even though I work hard, filming, doing all these things, like, I promise you, I have fun. I'm a fun guy.
Do you have any fetishes?
I like boobs, I like bum, I like eyes, I like teeth. I don't even know if that's a fetish. I like teeth, like.
Well,
I just
that's
like
not really
these
a...
things. Do you have
Fetishes I like, well, feet and doing
And
some
I'm not
weird
talking
stuff.
About what, every day, no, that's not me, darling. That's not. I'm maybe once a month. What? That's cause I told her
No,
what I
no,
like.
that's feet, but it's not fetish.
You like what?
Feet.
You see the whole foot thing? Everyone's on this whole foot
kind of
thing.
like a
You
fetish,
see
bruh.
me, darling, I'm the be real.
That's a fetish.
I don't care whether the girl's looking like Beyonce, looking like, I don't care how you look. You see when it comes to that feet stuff, I'm not putting a girl's foot in my mouth. To do what? Toe jab. For what? Why are we eating toes now?
Oh my
Doing this, I
God.
don't eat toe. Why are you eating toe?
What do you eat then?
I don't eat none of that. I told man already before I come on the show.
Oh my
I
God.
don't eat none of them
She's
things.
gonna.
Why do you eat stuff? What are you eating?
So what, you don't eat pussy?
No, he was doing so
Oh.
well.
I
We
knew
said
it,
no
bruh.
to that.
And
Dude,
I'm not sitting
I knew she was gonna clamp him on that one, bruh.
here. I'm not. Listen, let me just give you the
Where's he
breakdown.
telling you
When I
I'm
was
a
younger, because I'm
Jamaican?
Jamaican as well. The
I
way
knew it,
we
bruh.
got raised up. No. You're Jamaican as well. You know. How are you gonna ask me? You know. But then same time, as I've got older,
Listen, bruh.
I understand.
That's kind of like a myth. Even though we grew up in that culture, lots of people doing that shit, bro. Let's be real, bro.
No. You see, if I
Let's
was in
be
a
real.
relationship and I love that woman,
Especially
I
if
do it
overseas.
like,
Oh
whatever
my
it is,
God.
I'll do it. But because I haven't
you
been
do
in
do it
love,
then?
no, because I haven't. I would, but I haven't done it. I ain't found it. I can't.
You've never done it.
Never. I've tried.
So
tried
you're shit at it
to my ex. No, I mean I've
Basically,
tried.
you're
Like
shit.
in my
You got
brain.
embarrassed. Didn't
No,
wanna do
that
it
weren't
again.
it. It's like I tried. Listen, I was in a 4 or 5 year relationship. Of course I tried, but it wouldn't happen. My brain's like, yo, I want to do it, but my body's like, I can't. I can't. Cause I told you already, man. It's all a madness.
Oh my God. I'm kind of
Something in my
shocked that she
team
was,
that's
but
from Jamaica.
cause
I
I
don't
was even
believe in
think she
certain
was
things.
Jamaican, bro. Honest to
You
God.
get me?
My mind
But
never
whoever does whatever you
thought she was
do,
Jamaican
do
at
what
all.
you
I
got.
thought she was
Because
just a
I've got
British
big
person.
lips. They assume. You know what I'm trying to say? Because I've got big lips.
But I gotta tell you,
they think,
he have
yeah,
Jamaica. Can you the pot
he's
one
doing
everything?
that. He's in the grouges, he's in the grooves. I'm not in the grooves. No.
I'm
This
never going to
nigga's
anybody
funny
to
as
do that.
fuck.
I'm sorry. What are we, 10?
I did try.
So,
I
do
can't.
you like lips up?
I will go without it.
Oh, you'd go without.
I'll go without. If that means I'll go without,
I don't know
let's go
about that,
without. You want to do
buddy.
it? Let's not do it. I'll never pressure my girl into doing it. It's not that deep.
Good. I'm really impressed with that.
Oh,
you,
she
G,
impressed? Of course.
I was in
She
Jamaica and I
didn't.
met this
She
girl
didn't want
from
to
Brooklyn.
answer.
Yeah, New York.
She didn't want to
I said,
answer.
yeah. I was ready for it.
She
We're in
didn't want to
Jamaica
answer,
now
bro.
at one event. Nighttime, we're in the seaside playing games. I brought her back to my hotel and I tried bringing her in the shower. See, let me give you some advice. When you have sex with someone the first time, never have it in the shower. Yeah, because it's messy. It's all slipping out. She was kind of short as well, so it's all slipping, sliding, mess. Next day she come down. She said, "Hey man."
Dude, that was so
I said,
funny,
"Wow,
man.
that's thick." I said, "What?" Man's never heard that before. I've never heard that before. Never. I only go for older women.
Damn, that's crazy.
Unrealistic expectation.
Yeah, but
What
when you're
fucking
making it,
sex
so I
is?
told you already, I don't watch porn every day. I might watch it once a month. Like, even see porn, it keeps me from making bad decisions. Enough gal or people, they call their exes. Yo, babes, yeah, what's going on? Yeah, come down, man. Just because they're roasting or they want a bit of sex. And I'm going to tell all the men. Any men.
Yo, this guy,
actually females as
he's
well.
a little bit
Certain
loud, but
females
he's
out there,
pretty cool
you
though.
get me? Oh, yeah,
Kind of cool now, way. But I
calling
feel like
their
he's
ex and
still
that, or calling their old
putting a
chick,
show
but
for
forget
her
all of that. You see,
just to win the
if you
date.
go, if you watch a bit of porn, do what you got to do, and you still got that feeling, then make the phone calls. But sometimes we make the phone calls before we've even done what we got to do. And you see me, when I do what I got to do, I don't even need that anymore. You're thinking, nah, all that time, energy, yeah, wait, you cut all of that out and just watch a bit of porn. Yeah, it'll save you a lot of time and money.
So how much money do you make?
If I tell you, I'll be telling everyone else, but you good. But as I said to you, man ain't on no
That's,
business
yo,
thing.
I
Yes,
like
man,
how
yeah,
he
let me
deflect
good
that
up,
question.
yeah, I see man, yeah, Gucci,
I like how he deflect
see all
that.
of that.
No, he
I'm on
actually
a whole
answered
nother thing,
right.
I got big
If I
plans.
tell
I'm
you,
trying to
everybody
say
gonna
I'm trying
hear.
to buy a house,
You can't
I'm
let the
trying
body
to
of my
open up a
stuff on
fucking
live
and
TV
you
like
know
this.
what I
I'm
mean?
crazy.
Got to do. And if I
Gotta
buy
protect
all these
myself,
things, I'm
bruh.
not going to be able to open up my fucking restaurant. I'm not going to be able to buy a house. I'm not going to be able to set up my other business. You know what I'm trying to say? For all the money he's getting on drip. So what do you want? Do you want the millions or do you want the image stuff?
Okay.
But the way you portrayed yourself in the beginning is like, no, I don't care about materialistic. You all care about materialistics.
I don't think we do.
I reckon you all do.
Yo, he's asking some good shit, bruh. I'm not gonna lie.
Nah, but at the same time, you better be doing something. Don't just think you can come here and sit down, come to my yard, foot up, If I'm with someone, they don't need to have money or nothing, but you need to be working towards something. You get me? Whether you're flipping, studying, trying to get your degree and
That's
shit,
true, bruh.
you've got a part-time job where you're working on your new little business, or you got a job and you're working on your business on the side. You have to be doing something. There's no way I can have, because I work, look, I've got work tattooed on my hand. I used to go over it again, but you feel me? So how can I be so on work mode and my girl's just on some, yeah, babe, what time you can I need more than that. Before, I'll be honest with you, I would love a housewife. I would love a housewife.
Really?
I'll go out and grind and make sure dinner's ready, bath set, candles lit. I love a candle. How come there's no candles? What's going on?
Candle there.
Oh, yeah.
Great
I
fun.
didn't even see it because it was all in. My girl, she's supposed to be working. I'm not saying she's got
Oh my God, this is
no,
crazy.
because we will get there. But you have to be working. You got to be doing something. You can't just
I get what I'm saying. That time people talk about
Yeah.
like housewives nowadays. Man, this is modern time. I don't think they're gonna have a lot of housewives, but at least compromising,
That's it.
compromise
Loads of my friends
situations
make
is gonna
more
be
money than
the
me.
thing now.
You get
Yeah,
me?
but your
Especially
partner.
in these
Yeah,
Western
that's fine.
countries.
Friends,
I understand
family,
Asia,
whatever,
but
partner. No.
or in the
That's
Middle
making
East,
me
but
go
in the
harder.
Western countries,
You know what I'm
nope.
trying to say?
I don't
feel
think
like
so.
even if my partner did earn more money than
And I
me,
think it's same
I'd
in
still be
the
paying for shit in packs.
South America. I think it's actually the same. Like you can actually find housewife and those things in South
why
America.
not?
No!
Why?
I just feel like there's no need for it. Why do you need your partner's phone
Yeah,
password?
but I feel like you think it's not to snoop or anything. I just think
Dude,
it's
unless
in
you're
general, like,
Because
freaking
if it was
married,
that bad, why don't you just
you don't
ask your
need
partner,
that.
yo, babes, unlock your phone.
just think in general, like, there's nothing to hide, so what's the issue?
Nah, it's true, man. If it would cause a problem, I'll say, yeah, take it. Take it. But initially, yeah, babe, what's your password? Yeah, this is my part. And we both just on each other's phone and shit. So, it's toxic.
Yeah, that's
Who's
weird,
this?
man. Like
You see, when you go on your partner's phone, you're automatically
looking for
on
something.
the search. You can't help it.
That's
But
true.
it's more of a trust issue. Like,
You know, I don't think it's a trust issue. I
so
feel
you're
It's
about
just
to say,
human
if you go into
nature.
someone's phone and
That's
you're
the
looking for that,
human
that's
nature, bro.
insecurity. So are you
Think
insecure?
about it.
Nah.
Think about it,
But why
guys. Normally, if say you found a phone, right? What's the first thing you're gonna do? Either you're gonna look in their message or their photos. That's the first, or videos. That's the first thing
on
your
your
brain
phone, though.
tells you.
There's
Why?
no reason. I got my own
Because
phone.
it's curiosity,
I got
bruh.
How
two
people have
phones.
this-
I don't need to use
You
your
have two
phone.
phones?
Yeah.
So let's say about people with two phones.
Yeah, go and drag it.
I was going to say popular.
Yeah, I'm popular. Very popular. What's that now?
Take it anywhere you want.
What's beauty play?
It's massage.
Yeah, man, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you like the rub down. What's your preference, though? Like, in terms of all this beauty stuff?
What do you mean, what's my preference?
Like, what do you like? To be honest,
So
I'm
what,
half.
massages?
Is this what it means, yeah? What is it called again? Beauty what? Beauty pleasures.
Wait, he doesn't know what it
Beauty
means.
play. Yeah,
You
what's
can take it how
your...
you want. I just like a little massage.
Oh, that's all you like when it comes to the beauty, yeah? Do you like getting your bum slapped?
Don't mind that.
When you seem like the type, like when you have, if someone was to slap your bum, I just feel like you'll tell them off, man. What's that? What did you do?
Yo, this guy
Doing
is
that
roasting her,
too far.
bruh.
I'm gonna do two as well,
Why are
but
you
tell me
copying me?
why you're doing two, and I'll tell you why
The reason why
I'm
I'm doing two is, yes, as in, I probably would like it just
Dude,
normal
I like how you
people,
actually
like I
roast the
don't
hell out
like
of her.
people-
Dude, you know what? You know what's funny? Remember the other day, I said she kind of remind me of Lehan, which is from Little Mix, and Lehan is Jamaican. So it's very weird to see that. I still thinking about it, very strange to see that she actually Jamaican too. Like her parents are Jamaicans. Lehan parents are Jamaicans too. So I literally made that
Right, like a partner, but
joke the other
I
day.
say no
So she
as
looked kind of look like
in, as in when
Lehan.
I'm with someone, I don't actually look
That's
at people
crazy,
who are
but a
separate,
lighter
like,
version of
like that
Leanne.
can support it that you might get jealous about.
Just know anything you do, I can do 20 times.
So you're paying.
Nah, I'm not.
would you do
I'm not
something
paying.
to
Nah,
get
I wouldn't.
back?
Nah, I wouldn't. That's minor, man. Come on, liking a picture. That's some baby business. If I'm with someone and I really like someone and I love someone, it takes a lot for me to like just break up and throw it in the bin. Because you work. That's why I got tight. Work. You have to work on it. If you're in a relationship and you don't like a couple things, you got to work on it. You can't just throw the whole thing in the bin. Do you know what I'm saying? So in terms of liking pictures, that's some baby shit, man.
Yeah, that's true, man. I'm not gonna lie. The whole jealous thing about liking
What would
pictures,
you
bro.
do
That's
if my ex was after
simple, bro.
After me.
Yeah.
Don't forget about it. It's going to cause yourself headache. It's long. Allow it.
Long.
You've got my back like that.
Yeah, well, after you or me?
Well, he's after you because of me.
No, yeah, we're good, babes. Don't worry about that. It's not worth it. He's going to come, he's going to realise that it weren't worth it. He's going to go home and just never talk to you again. Facts. Trust me, top security.
Man, look at her face,
yeah,
bro.
come
She's
on,
like,
man. It's just light. It's light. It's crazy. You're going to make man start picking up weapons and that.
How do you think the date's gone?
To be honest with you, I've just been myself, you know, I'm just cool, I'm chilling. I thought you was gonna be a bit more, but you was good. You've been looking in my eyes though. You see the way you're
Yeah,
you're saying, you're not just looking at me,
she
you're
like
looking
to
in me.
stare
So it's been kind
in
of
her
hard to
soul,
do.
bruh.
It shows that you're telling the truth.
No,
I respect it. I'm still
nah,
upset that you think
she's using a tactics called, I don't remember, it's like a staring tactics that see how intimidated the other person is. So she kind of trying to intimidate you and see, oh, if you can match her energy. But I realized that she did that. She does that in all of her interviews.
won't take it too personally.
We move.
She literally
You
observed.
surprised me. It was actually a really good date.
I'll be real with you, lad. That one there, I'll be surprised if she don't come back to man today. You know what I'm trying to say? Because the energy, the spirit.
Oh my God, this cocky ass
Bro, she wasn't
bastard.
even looking at me. She was looking
This was
at me.
actually funny though.
Yeah,
I'm not
I'll
gonna
actually
lie.
see him again. Yeah.
Damn.
Trust me, she likes man. The energy's different. It's too much for her to handle. She don't know what to do.
Yeah, I think he did like me.
Man, you didn't get grilled. Can I try to grill me? That's why I told you I had to just flip it up. Anything she's asking me, I just go, bah, bah. Spin it back on her.
I actually really tried to grill him, but every time I just looked at his eyes, I just felt like he was just so nice. I just didn't have it in me to be a bitch.
Oh,
Realistically, I reckon
really?
she'll give man an 8. Just because of the tracksuit. But I reckon, yeah, minimum. An 8.
I wouldn't say the one. We'll do another date. Maybe.
Maybe.
It's on the card.
That's what I'm talking about, brother. Loved it. Don't know what to do. Still sitting there. Trust me, it's crazy.
This nigga's screaming me, bro. This nigga is funny, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you see that tiger?
This is a far
Yeah,
difference
want me
from
back.
the last
She
episode.
wants
Last
me back.
episode was
Like,
so
I actually
freaking
really
boring.
enjoyed
Man,
the
I'm not
date.
gonna lie.
I liked what he
Wait,
had to
I'm not gonna say
say.
nothing.
He had
I'm gonna wait.
substance. He seemed like a nice guy. Wasn't chatting shit. So I'd actually give him an 8.7.
Oh, he got the highest. Damn, my dude got the highest, bro. That's crazy. Dude, this is a far better episode than the last episode. What's that? I forgot the other guy name. Dude, that guy was boring. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. It was so freaking boring, bro. If you watch episode 4 reaction, you will see how much I'm complaining, bro. Like, dude, I was fighting myself just to go through the video itself. Like, literally, I was gonna give up on the video, but it was so boring. But I stick through it. But this one was pretty different, man. And revelation, I didn't even know that she had Jamaican parents, bro. Honest to God. And he's actually Jamaican too. So that's very weird. I know that the UK got a lot of Caribbean influence, especially Jamaican influence. But damn, that's crazy.